Dear children, welcome back to Channel for Kids Story and Learning Activity. Myself, Miss Harshada, and today I am here with another story. Today's story is about Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were brothers and sisters. They lived with their father in a house far away in a forest. Their father was a woodcutter who lived his earning by cutting the woods in the forest. Their mama had passed away when they were babies, so his father had remarried, and the new mama was not so good. She never liked the children and was talking to father. Why don't we go tomorrow deep far in the forest and leave these children over there? How are we going to make our living? You earn so less. While Mama was talking to father, all this was heard by Hansel and Gretel. Hansel was a very smart boy. He told his sister, "Don't you worry, I have an idea." Soon he went out of the house and gathered some pebbles, the shining stones, and kept inside his pocket. The next day, when parents took them far away in the forest, Hansel started dropping the stones one by one on the ground. The moment they reached there, the parents had left, saying that they had got some work. "We'll be back in some time, children. Meanwhile, y'all can take the warmth of fire and have some yummy snacks." The day passed, evening passed, and it was night time. Gretel started to cry. "Hansel, I am worried. How we are gonna make back home?" Hansel said, "Don't you worry, sister. Remember, while coming, I have dropped stones one by one on the ground. The stones are going to help us make way back home." "Oh, you are so intelligent, Hansel. Let's go. I'm very scared over here." Soon they both started moving back by following the stones that they had put on the ground. The moment they reached home, father, for his surprise, was very happy to see children back. Mama was not so happy, so she again had the same plan for the next day. She took the children and thought of dropping them far in the forest. Next day, while going there, he saw a very sweet birdie who was singing a song. "Tweet, tweet. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day, sunny day. It's a sunny day. Bye bye, buddy." And there, what? Hansel had gathered some breadcrumbs in his pocket and he had dropped breadcrumbs on the ground. But this time, all the breadcrumbs was eaten up by some birds and other animals. Now both were very shocked. What to do? Mama didn't allow us to gather stones at night as she had locked the room. Now how we gonna make back home? Suddenly they started following this bird, and the bird landed them to a beautiful house which was full of cake, pastry, candies, and yummy sweets. The children were very happy as they had never seen such lovely house before. They started eating some popsicle and donuts. The moment they were eating, one fat lady had come in from the house. Who are y'all? Why have y'all come here? Oh, we are Hansel and she is my sister Gretel. And then children there narrated what had happened with them. The fat lady looked very kind. She took both of them inside the house. Though the house looked very weird from inside, there was a huge cage, there was a big micro oven, and it looked all shabby. But the lady seemed very nice. She ordered them yummy food. She offered them some juices and fruits too. The children felt very happy as they were hungry the whole day. They finished their food and went off to sleep. The next day, children got up and suddenly opened a room and saw, oh my God, this room is full of treasure. My God, this lady's got whole lot of treasure. That moment, the lady came and started yelling at them. How dare y'all touch that room? And soon the children came to know that this lady is not kind but crooked witch, a witch who eats small children. Children started making their way home, but to their surprise, she grabbed Hansel's hair and pulled him back and locked him in the cage. Hansel was very scared. She went to Gretel and said, You skinny lady, you will have to cook for your brother and make him fat. I want to have some Hansel pie. You understand? You have to sweep, mop and scrub and do all my work. Gretel had no option but worked very hard and cooked yummy food and served his brother. His brother was very intelligent. He never had any food because he knew if he put on weight, the wicked witch would cook and eat him. So he had digged a hole and was gathering all the food inside the ground. The witch then felt Hansel's finger, whether he is grown thick or no. But she said, It doesn't matter whether you are thick or thin. Today I am in a mood to have Hansel pie. There she tells Gretel, Why don't you go and check whether the oven is heated properly? Gretel was very intelligent. She said, I am so small. How I can check? Why don't you check for yourself? The moment the wicked witch tried to see the oven is hot or not, Gretel gathered all her might and pushed the wicked witch inside the oven and quickly closed the door. She grabbed the key as she knew where the keys were kept. She took the key and set Gretel free. They both left the house. The house was getting into fire and flames. They ran far away. They came across a river where the swan helped them cross and move to the other end. One by one they sat and reached their house. For their surprise, they meet their father, and father was very happy to see their children. They all hugged each other and he said, Children, please forgive me. Your mama was not a nice lady, and she left me also. Children were very kind. They soon forgave his father, and they all were very happy. Hansel and Gretel showed all the treasure that they have got from Wicked Witch's house. Now they all lived very happily and they had become very rich. They enjoyed, laughed, and lived happily ever after. Hope you all enjoyed this story. I'll be back with some new stories. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.